What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today we're talking hats. I'm sure y'all have seen the Hat Club color stories that have been coming at us over the last couple of weeks. The peach and brown is still easily my favorite. Y'all already know. But today we're going to be talking about a new one, which is dropping on Wednesday, the 28th. Y'all already know the vibe, 2 p.m. hatclub.com, as well as the Hat Club app, actually called Galaxy, and these are tonal hats. I feel like the last couple of color stories have been two-tone hats, so we have some tonal joints now. I don't have all of the hats in hand, but I do have my top 4. Coming in at number 4, the San Francisco Giants. So like I said, tonal navy hats. You have navy on the crown, navy on the visor, navy on the button on top. And then you have metallic gray accents for the front logos and the side patches that are like a metallic gray and a metallic light blue. Take a look at that interlocking SF on the front. You have the light blue on the interior, and then you have that metallic gray for the outline. Now I will say, because of the color palette they're working with, the side patch date on this one is a little tricky to read, but it does say San Francisco Giants year 2000. I personally like the side patch front logo combination on this one. It's actually what pushed this hat into 4th place. Flat batterman on the back, gray, white, and blue. Tonal New Era flag, gray UV with the black sweatband, and these hats were made in China. I feel like navy is always a really popular fitted hat color because you could wear it with a lot of different things, and the metallics we all know are very popular right now, so this feels very on trend for what's happening right now in fitted hats. Coming in at number 3 is the Houston Astros. I definitely couldn't leave this front logo out of my top 4 because that front logo is absolutely crazy. All of the metallics in there. You have the silver on the inside, then you have more of that pewter gray, you have the metallic blue and the broken star. Lots of metallic. Houston Astros celebrating 45 years side patch. You have some white in there, just a little bit of white, but mostly metallic blue, metallic gray, and some black for the text. There's also like a hint of a different shade of blue that they use to outline the Houston and the star. It's a nice little detail. Flat batterman on the back, same as the last one. White in the middle, gray on one side, blue on the opposite side. The Baltimore Orioles coming in at number 2. Take a look at that front logo. The interior is that light blue metallic threading. You have the gray once again for the outline and metallic gray. Camden Yards, I believe that's 25 years at Camden Yards on that side patch. Flat batterman on the back, same as the last 2 hats. One thing I will say is we're seeing a lot more hats with gray UVs and black sweatbands, and I'm all for it. So if that's my top 3, y'all should already know. My number 1 usually goes to like one of 3 teams. So of course, it's the Dodgers joint. Metallic blue Dodgers front logo with the metallic gray outline. 40th anniversary Dodgers Los Angeles side patch. Again, that is easily the best side patch out of this pack. I do have a sneaker fitted hat combo in mind for this one, or outfit. I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go yet, but y'all will definitely be seeing this one on the gram. So make sure y'all tap in with my Instagram at smallfeetbigheat because you will see this one very soon. So that's my top 4 for the Hat Club Color Story Galaxy pack. Y'all let me know what y'all are going for down below in the comment section. And again, these drop on Wednesday the 28th.